If you want to change or add a new email address to your Instagram account on your iPhone or Android, for that you have to go to your Instagram profile and hit the menu icon in the top right corner. Now choose Account Center from the menu, tap Personal Details and then Contact Info to see your current contact details. Now tap Add New Contact on the contact information page. You have to choose Add Email here. Once you enter your new email, and from down below select Instagram, and then it will notify you that the old one is being replaced. Now hit Next to proceed. Check your email inbox for the confirmation code, enter it back into your Instagram, and hit Next again. And that's it. Your new email is now updated on Instagram. And this process works the same for your Android devices. I hope this guide helpful. Thanks for watching.